Perched along the water just south of Brisbane, Cove House stands as a thoughtful reimagining of the traditional coastal home. Designed by Justin Humphrey Architects, the residence rejects rigid domestic boundaries in favor of a fluid sequence of spaces that continuously interplay with the surrounding environment. Governed by a single, finely tapered roofline floating above the site, the home acts as a mediator between the natural landscape and the built structure, anchoring itself deeply into its subtropical context. The arrival experience is defined by a gentle, deliberate progression through carefully sculpted outdoor thresholds. Rather than erecting a stark barrier against the outside world, the architecture uses a verdant garden room as its primary boundary, softening the transition from the public realm into private life. As one moves deeper toward the home, concrete easement walls and warm timber features establish a rich textural dialogue, providing a sense of grounding while guiding the journey forward under the open sky. By engaging with its neighborhood across three distinct edges, the residence cultivates a unique relationship with its surroundings. Pockets of lush landscaping and subtle openings disrupt the standard streetscape, inviting dappled light to filter across raw surfaces while offering tantalizing, partial glimpses of the water beyond. These moments of spatial relief break apart the typical enclosure of residential planning, creating a living environment that feels permanently tied to the rhythms of the outdoors. Atmospherically, the structure relies on a harmonious contrast of materials and elements to shape the experience of shelter. Robust concrete surfaces lend enduring weight to the design, yet this solidity is continually balanced by the warmth of timber detailing and the softness of integrated flora. The soaring overhangs of the roof offer a constant sense of protection from the elements, casting soft shadows across outdoor terraces, while maintaining an uninterrupted visual connection to the surrounding landscape and sky. Ultimately, the residence unfolds as a holistic response to its climate and location, where architecture and nature coexist on equal terms. Through clever passive environmental strategies and a deep appreciation for subtropical living, the home transforms everyday movement into a series of calm, sensory moments. It stands as a refined architectural narrative, one where the physical boundaries of a house gently dissolve into the beauty of the coast.